Kevin, if you do your own maintenance on a new ski, how would I prove I did it on an extended warranty? Ooh, good question. Got 1 year plus 3 extra years, and I felt I need to take it into service departments to prove it is done correctly. Is this not true? Well, here's how you, I'll tell you how you prove it. Is you wait till you get the alarm to change your oil, and you can't scrub that code. So you change your oil and you bring it in. You go, guys, you can see the oil filter's new. You can see that the oil's new. Can you please reset the code? And they'll go, oh, okay. And they'll reset the code. And they'll have a log of you going in there. You also have a receipt for having them go in and check your code. So you can do that. And you can always also just keep a log, like a little old man with his old 68 New Yorker. Just keep a log of hours, oil change, hour, and how much oil you put in, what brand of oil you put in. You can keep the receipts if you went and bought the oil and bought the oil change kit from Green Hulk or your dealership or whomever. You can keep that too. Oh, there you go. Everyone's saying keep a log and save receipts. Listen to the people. Appreciate the super chat. Everyone here is like, yeah, same thing I'm saying.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.